Hey loves, it's LadiiJay, and today I'm going to show you how I prep and dye my hair bundles in my closure. So right now you see me co-washing my hair extensions. The night before I deep conditioned with a hot oil and conditioner, but right now I am co-washing everything out. I wanted to make sure that I deep condition with an oil because I didn't want my ends to dry out, and these are my results. And I'm really happy with the results. The conditioner really gave my hair a lot of moisture. So now I am trying to figure out the part for my closure. And don't mind the glue. This is like a cap that I use for another quick weave, and I just used it again. Now I'm just putting in the pins to position the cap correctly on the head. And now I'm going in with my comb to see if I want a middle part or a side part, because I am going to dye the hair in that position. And I decided to go with a middle part. And these are some of the bundles that I'm reusing, and then I am adding a 20-inch at the bottom because I wanted a little bit more length for this quick weave. So the first step that I do is to make sure that the surface is protected. So I'm using the high color and volume developer, a comb, applicator brush, a bowl, gloves, you need gloves, and bundles of your choice. So the first step is just to empty the entire high color dye into the bowl. And then the box says 2.4 ounces of developer, but as you can see, I winged it, eyeballed it, but it worked out perfectly. So you can either do 2.4 ounces or do what I do. Just want to stir it up until it's like a cream consistency, and then just start applying it to your bundles. And what you want to make sure you do is get every strand of hair. So that means you want to flip it over on the other side and get inside of the bundles. Make sure that you don't forget to open the bundles up and put the dye on the hair. Once you get to the top of the hair, what you want to do is like feather it out. You don't want it to be like so noticeable that it's black and then red, so you want to like ombre it and just feather it out at the top. So So this is me flipping it over, repeating the whole process on the back side, and then feathering the top part of the bundle. And then what I do is take a sheet of aluminum foil and I fold it up and I leave it in the aluminum foil for 30 minutes. And now I'm gonna go to the closure. I did that process for the rest of the bundles as well. So when you're dyeing the closure, you want to make sure that you do not get it on the closure itself, because then you'll have a red scalp and that'll be hard to get off of the closure. So you just want to make sure that the scalp of the closure is protected and you watch out for it. So now you see me just making sure that the dye is throughout. And I'm just gonna wrap it individually with the aluminum foil. And yeah, I just repeated this process throughout the entire closure. And these are my results. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.